Alright. A pilot decides to load fuel only the inner and outer fuel tanks on both wings. For aerodynamic and mass and balance reasons, the middle tank will remain empty with a fuel density of 0.9. What is the maximum amount of fuel that can be loaded? Alright, so let's open our annex right here, and I would like to just multiply my screen. The question was asking for the inner and outer tanks. Alright, so those two. We already have the liters right here, and why we have to calculate with 0.9 is because the fuel density is dynamic. It always changes. If you're on the hotter airport, the fuel expands more, and if you're on the more colder atmosphere, it will be more compressed. Yeah, and this calculations is calculated with the fuel specific gravity of 0.785. You can see it right here. I'm actually reading it from right here. So let's get back to the question. We know it's outer and inner tanks. Yeah, so outer tanks carry 880 liters. Yeah, so 880 times 2, which gives me 1760, times, I will multiply it with 0.9 to get my actual weight, which is 1584. We'll take a note here. I need to put here note. Alright, the next one is inner tanks, because it was asking for the inner tanks, and it is 6924. So 6924 times 2, which equals 13,848, and I will multiply this number with 0.9, which gives me 12,463.2. Okay, so if I add these numbers together, 1,584 plus 12,463, which will give me 14,047.2. So 14,000. The answer will be B. Thank you for watching. It is very important that you check the fuel specific gravity right here. It's usually given on the annex. If it is given on the annex and it is the correct one that you have to use, you don't have to do all these calculations. So you can just go right here and find the kilograms totally right here. So you don't have to work with all of these. So it is really easy and simple question. But on some questions, as I said, they also give with that specific fuel gravity, so you don't have to do any calculations, just read it and give the answer. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.